Hi Asad, this is Biplavi speaking. This is my daily checklist video. Today I started my work at 9 in the morning, and first of all, as well as I do open my mail and check over all the mails over here, and also I did my daily KG ads. And then I go to my regular work. Today I have work on Goldcrest, and today I work on MBA, MBM, and got some product. I've got many, but most of are already selected. So from here I sort out some new product and set it on my channel over here togetherly, all that product here. So please check out. And I also done my BRK order 33 is already done. Please check out our on the channel. And I see you already sent some video about a new setup training. So I watched the video, not fully, but I am trying to watch and understand that. So this is the last day of this week. So next week we can work on that properly, maybe. So that's all of my work today. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.